if I've named the Ukraine money, I normally don't see why Bawumia, as Ubia, a failure like him should ever be on it.
For Ghana 7 TVGH, make sure like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notification also, so that anytime we post a video, I will send back the amount share. That was it. For apparently I know Listowell or MPP, NDC4 man now or claim me say some time ago now MPP ni, but December kumi nunti is still only MPP ni mubium. Or see Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia a failure. Yeah. Or so on Listowell there, on person on betina redu and as a TV supra eka obi or failure to say Bawumia. Now no say now no the catch Bawumia same padia and cow the better. Now I didn't hear or see dollar. Or see because dollar and a brand NDC free abayamona dollar 4 cities and Bawumia ni boss buy. By the time we free $1 or 14 honum baby sanity Bawumia a failure. And to no dear Bawumia nya obia you be consider no Christ or be your president, you be your man and I say serious party with MPP. You can say Bawumia benye defenders and flag bearer. It was for Listowell nekas the same way. But Listowell no dear. Or see John Mahama, one of the best president or governor or man we. It was a for me so. He did Bawumia. Any Mahama etuwa. Senye abro any beya. Will you choose Mahama? Adia Bawumia ye as a vice president. Mahama. Kota mpo onye as a vice president. Oba yo man peni kura kota kra onye. Ebusan for me boy. So me boy mon country me o. Bawumia. We there se won ka Bawumia campaign kra fa won we MPP ni and so we Ghana ni a tina ho. Na fa we ne tu ho na hwe se 8 years of Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. Vice president bia ni o man we ma. Ya ka ne ho asem party se Bawumia. We there unless you are blind. That's when you say Bawumia is a failure. Ewo musa nipa December kumi enu bi enye mo NDC for na mka say Ghana ha $10 enti e ma obi ameka dollars. So on one hand $10 or Ghana enti exchange rate ne found. On the other hand Bawumia is a failure because exchange rate actually there were some fluctuations when this MPP was in power. Nanwe na mukofa bayo moamu jejereje. Nanu ya na mudi bayo moamu jejereje. Bawumia de was a solid guy. Kana for omunim say enya coupon na odi na kwa kosi. So that at the right time emrepano aye 2028 7 December no obeye no obesin ohini. Ende no kre. Upe ebesi. Say wa umpe agise ubompa na yakopon kun asa na 2028 because utiase nkwande ukati asefo nka nkwande 2028 7 December kana foba koto abama Bawumia conk straightforward no ben no kef and Listowell enye we are now asinsem we now beka about discourage you bia Bawumia there has come to stay. The video is up next. See you in the next one.
Okay, anyway. If I've named the Ukraine money, I normally don't see why Bawumia, as Ubia, a failure like him should ever be on a table for discussion. Normally, I think, say, we have a task at hand. Which task is the Bawumia Akufo-Addo regime or the Akufo-Addo Bawumia regime woefully failed to attend to the core needs and plights of the ordinary Ghanaian. And what they are baying, Adiama may discuss is because maybe we want to discuss the failures, then we know that it's a no-go area for this government. Nti Penifo baby say you drama and fonso ne kaya. Nti baby I drew ya man fonso tina maybe kaya no. I normally don't take my time to listen to very unserious persons and personalities like Bawumia. Hwɛ deɛ yɛ na ɛhyɛ me bufuo paa wɔ wiase nkɛseɛ paa yɛ obi a n'adwene yɛ ne sɛ onim nyansa kyɛn obi. Wabere a yɛama no opportunity sɛ wɔmɛso na ne som no a ɔsomyɛ no ɛho records. He said something just that he couldn't be deep with the explanation, and he thinks you're wiser than you feel the pinch when he was vice president. What I say? If we are saying the Jawa near the Aswao, Ura, to time I need when I was MPP, said no, general secretary when MPP was MPP, Many are those who didn't like Bawumia to be the vice presidential candidate of the MPP. Now, their reason was that he had no track record. But Akufo-Addo had to lie his way into making sure that at least people will admit, say, Bawumia was going to bring something on the table. Now, with the dollar pay, and a better example, dollar. Because you see, Ghana a import-based economy. Economy no, a import-based. It be yeah Ghana ha import yeah t-shirt sui. Ye be say ye foreign, including ufugu ufugu no. Locally no, oma added value to a raw material a foreign. Because ahoma na ye dey ye fugu we. If abuche na bae ena yadi krohinko anwene ahoma no ama na ye ntoma ena yakeka si ani ena yapam ena hyew ono bo atare ehye material no ya anya no Ghana ha tailor no de o ye made in Ghana. The tailoring was done here and honorable midway same. An import-based economy, no. The most important idea was say every economist and I say economic your friend is a manager biano will pay attention to how the CD the local currency no kwasisa akoto a foreign currency yadi ko dwaso akoto nyoma import to Ghana no ebetimi nya stability. Now, said if Bawumia could at least for once tell himself the truth, all the dollar and not dollar is saying, granted, now 4 cedis, all corona dollar is saying, then you tell me because we watch now a damn team, we watch me ourselves, we watch a new epi because we need to no bad job on thing. Then you tickle yourself and laugh because what do you say? So we know who now Syria. Syria be a Syria. Then you tell me you were the best to have managed the economy of this country. And your best performance is 17 cedis to a cedi. 17 cedis to $1. Not my bet in the studio ha. Na inuma pa do mahama ya. Wako appointed ato force ya wa force ama dollar no efiri 17 aba bedru 10 10 no krampo no me sure say senko say yire ne ho a enka be ko further down ebi a ye to koko because ye so no ye export to yoma ye di koko ko ye wo oil a ye ton entino ye hwenas ye tonnes ye so benya dollar say ya ntien ye mani nyina 10 ha ya kakra